Can we add collaboration in Instagram post or reels after posting? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can add a collaboration in Instagram post or a reel after you have already posted it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Insta. Then I'm on my profile right here on the bottom right. Tap on it and head over to any post or reel that you want to add a collaboration in. Tap on the post, and after you do that, as you can see, there is no collaboration right now. So tap on the three dots on the top right. After we do that, as you can see, there is no option to actually just add a collaboration in. So if we tap on edit, after we tap on edit, we cannot still add any collaboration, but let's head over to edit paid partnership. And even in that, all you can do is add a paid partnership label and nothing else. So tap on done here, and you can try more things. Tap on more option, and even in more option there is no option for collaboration. So yeah, all you can do now is actually just delete the post entirely and repost it by adding a collaboration. And I hope this video answered your question, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.